Okay, we're just gonna start. Don't lock in on that tube. Don't lock in on that tube. Don't lock in on that tube. Oh dear. Oh babe. Thank you. That's better. Oh, God. Breathe, dear. We're gonna go up the bank, then down the bank. Up the bank, then down the bank. Okay? Shh. Ah, God. That was rusty. Oh. Okay. Oh. We're going. We're going. We're going. Go! Thank you. Smiley face, let's go. Woohoo! We're booking it. Chill out. We're booking it. Chill out. Oh my God. Oh, oh, easy. Easy. We're gonna trot. Is that okay? Can we trot down this, please? Hi, guys. Oh, oh man. I knew this was gonna be, oh man. Okay, good. You can trot over this, let's go. Nice canter. Nice canter, easy. Okay. This is fast, huh, babe? Really fast, easy. Oh, you see everything, huh? Okay, easy. Easy. That one was much better, easy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. A little scary, huh? Up we go. Up we go. Aha! This is interesting, isn't it? No, it will take me. I'm going too fast. It will take me. Feel bad that you didn't get to ride this, huh? It's more than fun. You don't even know. Don't even know. I'm at 135. Nice job. Nice job. Ooh, it's getting slick down here. Okay. Hey, hey. Perfect timing. Just telling you, this is good timing, Mom. We can take a chill pill, okay? That's alright. Trot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be in perfect time. Come on. I good? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, now you're tired. Huh. Now you're tired. That was crazy, wasn't it, buddy? Perfect timing. Did I go clean? Yeah, that'd be awesome. Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I have a question. Do you know if the circle I did up there is all right?
Totally okay.
Thank you.
That's what a lot of people are doing to kill time. You can take that with you if you want.
I'm just gonna, okay, thank you.
I can refill it too if you like.
No, that's all right. That's the perfect amount. Thank you so much.
Practice Pony Club in
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. It was perfectly fine. 8 seconds.
Are you kidding me? Okay, you know what? By the way, I get to claim her first.
Yeah! Yes, that was the best ride I've ever seen you ride, AJ. Every one of your fences was perfect.
Okay, good.
Every distance was perfect.
How'd you like that down thing?
It was
Oh my God. I'm like,
awesome.
oh my God, what are you?
And the horse in front of you stopped 3 times. I'm like, oh my God, AJ. I'm like, come on, AJ, come on, AJ, come on.
Right before her.
Oh my
She
God.
didn't even get to the water.
Yeah,
She
she
stopped
stopped.
the course right before you.
I'm going,
You were the only one
AJ,
that first.
AJ, watch your back. Sit up, sit up, sit up.
It was good. He just went, wow, and I loosened my brains a ton. Because I wanted him to go down it, just go down it.
Yeah.
Oh my
What a
gosh.
good boy.
You want to walk him back and spend the time with him?
Yeah.
8 seconds?
8 seconds.
Good for you.
Awesome.
You hit every fence on an increasing stride.
Best fences you ever had. Best run ever.
Oh, good. That's good.
Boy, it's gotta be the brain.
It's gotta be the braids.
Go say hi to your family, too.
I will. Whew.
From Hamilton, Georgia. Freedom. 8-year-old quarter horse.
Good boy.
Starts up
Good boy.
I get to claim you.
No problem.
Kenzie Jahan said Freedom.
Thanks.
To the
Yes,
stone
I
wall
did.
Coming up to the bank.
You did a helmet cam.
Yeah. Actually, it's not turned off yet.